Hello everyone. We will see how to create a Apache Airflow DAG for BigQuery operator. So this is the DAG that I have written for explaining you how BigQuery operator works. So for that we inside this Airflow contrib operators we have BigQuery operator available. What it does operations in BigQuery table. So we can have the DML operations and also analytics operations, data copying the data from one table to another, truncate overwrite, then partition override. These scenarios in normally BigQuery tables that we can do from this Airflow DAG and this BigQuery operator. So rest of the DAG is same. The only thing that changes is this BigQuery operator, which takes different kind of parameters. One is DAG. We need to create DAG configuration. Task ID needs to be given. Then there is some SQL directory where this particular testflow.sql will be present. We are not using legacy SQL, we are using standard SQL in BigQuery. Destination dataset, whatever operation we are performing, it will be uh, like copied to, or we can say in this case, truncated and overwrite. That means the data will be overwritten in this dest table. This will be resolved from config file, and BigQuery connection ID is needed if you want to connect to the BigQuery, and the parameters itself. So these are the things that needs to be taken care. We have only one operation here now. What we'll do is, instead of showing it here, I'll go to this. Yeah, this name is testflow.py, and we have this bq SQL folder inside testflow.sql. And if I go to code, we have mentioned that this testflow.sql will run. And if you want to see what exact operation is being performed, it's just a select star from some table, my TV. That means this table should be present in BigQuery, and destination table is referred to dest table. So config will give you the destination table name. It's inside the same dataset. The name is dest table. BigQuery default is the connection ID that you can see in your configuration of Airflow. You can see this MyDS is the dataset in which dest table and myTB are the two tables having the same schema. So if I query this table, you can see that data is there, and this table will be copied to dest table. Let's see how it works. I'll trigger it and we will wait for some time. Yeah, so this task is complete. That means the destination table should have the complete data which was part of myTB table. Yeah, so data is copied, and as it was rightly mentioned, it is truncate override, right truncate. That means if my dest table is having some data already present, it will truncate that and then override this particular content into dest table. So this is how BigQuery operator will work. There are different scenarios similar to right truncate. There is right append, so you can go for them. Thank you for watching this video. Let's data.